Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up account on Likee via Facebook. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. Or if you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and download it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So click on this. So right after that, you need to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this human shape and go to settings, which is in the 3 button on the top, and click on settings. So right after that, you can see here in the top account, just click on this. And here are many options. Just click on the second one, linked account. So now in here, you are able to see Facebook, phone, Instagram, Google, Apple, YouTube, OK or VK. So for now, you need to link with Facebook. So click on the Facebook. And here Likee wants to use Facebook to sign in. Just click on continue. So now click on the open in Facebook and continue as your profile. So Facebook want to open Likee. Just click on OK. And your Facebook is linked with Likee app. So in this way, you can just link your account with Facebook. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.